Good evening, folks. Another fine winter's eve in rural Saskatchewan. So, a couple videos ago, I threaded some would-be bolts for the milling attachment, seeing as this was the only bolt we had on hand that would actually work. And it's too long, and it's just what I'd like to do is have bolts that actually match the wrench that came with the lathe. So, found a chunk of aluminum. So I got to play around with some aluminum. That was different. Drilled this out, tapped it, and what I had planned to do is just thread one of these bolts in there. But somehow, yep, there we go. Thread that in there, lock it down with the nut, clamp her down in the old Vicetron, which is now nice and square. Take something like 35 thou off each side, and you should have a square-headed bolt. I'll leave just a bit on the bottom there so that the wrench can sit up there. Okay, well, let's head over to the, I want to say mill. We'll just call it milling attachment for now. The lathe with the milling attachment. We'll head over there, that way. And, yeah, we'll see if we can't square off some bolts. Alright, so there's our setup. Got the bolt all snugged up in there. Got our vices all clamped up here. See, that's our bolt. That's why I kind of wanted aluminum, so it had a nice grip, and we've got a nice solid register on this face here, nice and flat, so you know where it's going to be, and it's going to be square. Okay, so last time I basically just eyeballed this, as far as they're all about the same length, so the 1/2 inch tool should be just perfect to make exactly the right amount of flat spot that I want on there. So that's what we're aiming for. Just take it slow to start. Alright, move that there off. Slippery. And that is essentially what we're doing here. That'll have to get filed up and cleaned up a little bit. I might actually put these on the lathe and give them a little bit of a bevel on there. Yeah. Testing out our new bolt as well. Alright, it's the same drill as before. Alright, now we got two reference faces to measure up here just to see how we're doing as far as width goes. And squareness feels good. And we're just a shade under 375, exactly where we wanted it. Yep, should be good. Yep. Alright, one side to go. I was considering going up and cutting and doing another cut, but I'm just going to stick with what I know for now. Ooh, made it. You guys ever have that dream where you're on your last cut and then like all of a sudden you're just about there and all of a sudden catastrophe strikes? Well, that's what I'm feeling right now. Yeah, looks pretty good, I think. Could have left a little more in the bottom there, but that's a lot of burrs there, so we'll file that off and see how she looks. I know everyone hates this. Alright. Oh, good enough. Huh. Yeah, once I sand them up or give them a few more licks with the file, clean off those burrs, and there's still a little bit up top there, but for the most part, this is a done deal. And that's our square head bolts. Piece of cake. Right? Yeah. Right. Right. Put that back in there. Proof's in the pudding. Alright, well I got one more to go. I won't make you guys suffer through one more. We'll get that done and then I'll be right back. Alright, so just a little quick demonstration of the drawbar upgrade I did. So you still got to kind of lock this pin in here. Disengage the belt. Lock that in there. And I'm probably going to make a spanner wrench for this, I'm thinking. And then just lock that up like that. Your little whack. And that's it. There you go. Easy peasy. Alright, I'm going to throw the 3-jaw in there and we'll get to facing them bolts. Alright, almost home. You don't have to do much. Just got to face these up a little bit. This shouldn't damage the threads. Don't even really gotta do that, but I'm doing it anyway. Cause why not? Okay, ready to go here? Poor old lady, she's Sounding a little tired. I'm kind of standing far away here. Touch off. I don't know, we'll do what? 20 thou? Not even. 15 thou or so. A little oil too. Oh, hang on. You know what I forgot to do? Shit. I think I forgot to do this. Yep. Oh, fuck. Good God. Oh, it's always something. I'm getting sidetracked and then I forgot to do shit. That's not good. Alright. Where was I? Fuck's sakes, you know, like this thing is just... This tool post. First thing I buy for this shop, and the next thing I buy is going to be a freaking quick change tool post, I think, because just you lose your momentum so badly. Alright, what did I say? 15 thou or something like that. Oops. Alright. Nope. And, I don't know. Find our edge here. We'll give it a slight taper. Somewhere. Alright. You could do one a little more, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's good. That's just aesthetics. That's about all that is. Quick look with the file very carefully. Hopefully, out of harm's way. Get that little lip there. Right there. Yeah, that'll look good. Alright, flip it around. I'm probably thinking I'm gonna put a little bit of a chamfer on the nose of those screws too. I don't know if they need it. Not much, just a scotch. Yep. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do with those. And, yeah, it'll look something like that after they're done. Oop, there we go. That's what they'll look like. They're not perfect, but they're not half bad. And the biggest thing is that right there. Oop. You gotta fit the old little wrenchatron and the Vicetron. Alright, I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright. So there we go. We got 3, similar bolts. There are some inconsistencies. The only consistency I really was worried about was whether they fit on the wrench or not. Yeah, that's them. I think they look pretty darn good. Can't complain. Oop. They do go in there. I should have filed the ends off after it. Oh yeah, they're good. They're good. Those are the bolts for the vise. Well, yeah, might have to do the old pipe fitter trick here. Yep. Oh. If you've ever made a shit ton of stud bolts, that's usually what you got to do with them. Bit of crap in there, I think, but yeah, she's just schmoed up in there. Yeah, that's her pretty much in a nutshell. Let's fix up those threads, see? Works good. Just gotta whack them on something hard and generally straightens those threads out. And that is our vise. Finally done. Ish. Done-ish. Alright folks, I guess that's it for me tonight. Not sure what our next project's going to be. Something good, that's for sure. Alright, you guys have a great night. Peace out.